Welcome to Layla's International Kitchen. Today I'm going to make potato pancakes. Let's start. For 2 potato pancakes, you need to have 4 medium-sized potatoes, salt and pepper according to your taste, and cooking oil around 2 tablespoons. I prefer coconut oil. I've already peeled and cut my potatoes and soak them in the water to prevent from oxidation. Now I need to shred my potatoes. Today I'm going to use a food processor, but if you don't have a food processor, you can use this part of a cheese grater. I already cut my potatoes in half because it makes it much easier to shred them. You don't need to use the food pusher most of the time, but you can use it as needed. My shredded potatoes are ready. I soaked them in the water. It's gonna be rested for about 10 minutes to get rid of excess starch to have it crispier. After 10 minutes of soaking the potatoes in the water, I'm going to strain it. And if there are any excess potatoes here, I'm gonna add them to the rest of potatoes. Now for eliminating the excess water, I'm going to use the washcloth, or you can use a paper towel. You don't need to put too much. You put as much as that you are able to eliminate the water. I think that much enough. You see that the water, the excess water, you don't want to have that water because this step is very important to have a crispier potato pancake. Okay, I think my potatoes are ready. See that? I got rid of the extra water. I put the dry potatoes in a bowl and I'm going to add salt and pepper and mix it very well. Okay, it's ready to be cooked. At the beginning, you need to have it on the high heat because you want to have your oil to be very, very hot. Now I spread it all around evenly. Now I turn it down in a low heat. It needs to be cooked at around 15 minutes and you shouldn't touch it at all because you don't want to break it. As you see, the edges are getting golden brown, so it means that this is the time to flip it over. I'm using this spatula because it's much easier to flip it without breaking it. Ta-da! Now it's gonna be cooked for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that it's ready to be served. After 15 minutes, the potato pancake is ready. It's nice, golden brown, ready to be served. Bon appetit!